Hey y'all, happy Easter. Cheers. Not cooking today. Going to go through the cookbooks I used on that last series of videos. So, the first one I picked this up in St. Louis about 30 years ago. This come from the Hill. It's the Italian section of St. Louis, and they got awesome food over there, delis and bakeries. And this is the one that I did the company roast beef or company pot roast, whatever it was called. Company beef roast. That was just amazing. I can't say enough about that. But I like this cookbook. Terry and I, through the years, I've done several recipes in it. But the reason I like it, this is just local people that live on the hill there. You got grandmas and moms and uncles and priests and nuns and all them people. They send these recipes in. But when I got this, I remember going through it the first time, and this one recipe jumped out at me. And it's for, where am I at here? Wrong one. And this is for stuffed mushrooms. It says, this is a play it by ear recipe. Now there's 6 ingredients, but there's no amounts in none of the ingredients. It's mushrooms, breadcrumbs, bacon, Parmesan cheese, butter, and dry vermouth. It tells you to destem the mushrooms, reserve the stems, cook the bacon, crumble, remove all but a little grease. Add a bunch of butter, cook chopped up mushroom stems, add a 1/4 cup of vermouth, more if you like. Add breadcrumbs and chopped up bacon. Heat over low till warm and add some Parmesan cheese. And stuff the mushrooms. Bake at 350 till tender, about 20 minutes. Put a little butter on the bottom of the dish. Sorry, I'm not so exact, but I don't measure a single thing. So there's recipes in here like that. It's my kind of cooking. First off, the company roast beef, whatever. This was by far and away the best dish I did. My opinion. What do you think, Terry?
Yeah.
Alright, there you go. Company beef roast. This is a book I've had, oh God, another book about 30 years or better. This lady that wrote this, or put this book together, she used to be the food writer for the local newspaper here in town. And we used to have a Irish festival kind of thing downtown on the walkway, and me and her'd go down there and put green food coloring in the fountains, turn the water green. But she was a lovely old lady. She's long gone now, but this is the one I got, the
Sausage casserole.
macaroni sausage casserole. What'd you think about that one, Terry?
That was good.
Terry liked that one.
Yeah, we've had that a couple of times.
That's not my second favorite. This book, I have no idea where I got it. It looks like a 40-year-old coloring book if you look at how faded the pages are.
I got that somewhere.
This is for the chicken and onion dish come out of here. And that dish can be good. I know things I need to do to make it better.
Yeah, it needed something.
But
definitely needed something.
yeah, this that would be a good recipe.
And as much as I love onions, that just...
This one is the
frittata.
The frittata. The Family Circle Cookbook. Another book I've had for years. I'll tell you what, I did that roast, and then when I did the frittata was number 2 until the end.
Oh, yeah.
And then here is the good old Fanny Farmer. I think Terry got this book when she graduated from high school.
When I first moved to Evansville.
Whenever.
After I graduated, yeah. 40 years ago.
So that was, this is an old mainstay. My God, it's been published, I don't know, this got a copyright of 79 here.
That's the year I got it.
Yeah, the first edition is 1906 copyright. This book was, got a lot of families together through the years. But the pineapple upside down cake come from here. And without a doubt, that is the worst.
Yeah, that one was a total...
Probably the worst recipe I've ever done in my life. Now the tenderloin one came out of, believe it or not, a Marlboro cookbook. I don't even smoke Marlboro. I don't know why I got it or how I got it. I never did smoke Marlboro.
I used to smoke a Marlboro.
This tenderloin was just amazing. Terry was like drinking that sauce.
That sauce was good.
She was drinking that sauce.
I was not, but I put it on everything I ate.
So I'm going to give the beef roast the number 1. I'm going to give the tenderloin number 2.
The macaroni casserole was 3.
I'm going to say the frittata.
No, macaroni casserole.
Okay.
Then the frittata.
Let's see, that's 3, and then I got
then the chicken, then the cake.
That's only 5. Roast. Oh, you said your sausage.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'm going with roast, then tenderloin, then frittata.
I'm going roast, tenderloin, macaroni casserole.
Yeah.
Frittata.
And then the
Chicken.
the chicken. Seems like we're missing one. What did I do in here? That was the macaroni, the chicken, and the frittata. Okay, anyways, that's what we did. Sorry I didn't answer the comments last week. I've had computer issues all week, and I think I got them figured out now. So I'll try to get those comments from last week answered in a day or two. I like doing this. Some of these, most of these recipes, I just didn't see how they were going to happen.
We need to make some more of that sauce.
But they came together. Like I say, that roast. Go watch that video. Make you a roast just like that. It can't be beat. That's the best thing
Well,
ever
you did
made.
a version of that Friday.
Yeah, I've done a couple of versions of it since then, but the original was the best.
Yeah.
And that tenderloin, part of this I have to admit is the way I cooked that pig. That tenderloin was just cooked perfectly that day. And so I really liked that. The frittata, I fell in love with that thing. And the sausage thing, and well, I've made that several times for Terry since I done that. But so that's what it is. That's what I did for my cookbooks, what I used. I've got more cookbooks in there. I've got shitload more cookbooks in there. I don't know if I want to go back to doing another series anytime soon, but I may pop one in on you every now and then. I miss my cooking, my style of cooking. So we're going to come back in a week or two and go back to the way I know how to do stuff. So anyways, find the recipe I did on that beef roast. Find the one on this tenderloin. I'm telling you, those are 2 can't miss recipes there. And with that, that's about it. So we're going to have a good one. You have a good one.
Happy Easter.
There you go. We'll see y'all next time. Cheers.